Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. This is context change week here for today's Tàijíquán Tip, hashtag TTT. I'm Stephen Watson, I'm at Someday Farm, and I'm about to give you today's tip. Today's tip is keeping with this theme of the context change, whether inner or outer, and allowing that context change to offer a change in your viewpoint or your view. And we might shift the context in a way that we never have, or at least for the purposes of this Tàijíquán Tip, is to change it to something that isn't your ordinary or default. So maybe you have done it before, but it's not your favored way or usual way or common way. And so today's tip is to practice with a different food or drink fueling, right? Or perhaps fasting, maybe missing the food or drink, whether the type or the degree, right? Like practicing after eating very spicy food might change your awareness of things, right? So this could be with or without caffeine. If you usually are caffeinated, as most people are quite often, maybe no caffeine. Maybe less, maybe more. We can play around with it. Maybe carbs, maybe no carbs, maybe no food at all. Maybe it's a pretty pure fast or some version of a fast. Maybe less pure, but you're largely off this or that. Um, Maybe you're practicing when you're full up after a meal. So you're very heavy and weighted and sluggish. Do your practice then, see what happens. Maybe you practice it when you're really hungry. That's the way I like to practice. When I'm really, really hungry. And that's where my brain wants to go. And I try and bring myself into the practice. And the idea, of course, is to see if that changes how I view things or what I view. Maybe I come to a different understanding about the meaning of some of the moves or energies or postures. Maybe I am able to draw new connections between moves. So enjoy that, and don't starve yourself, and don't starve me. So please donate, please, 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 Venmo, PayPal, all that kind of good stuff. Thank you, love.
Thanks for showing your support for today's Tàijíquán tip. Tips really go a long way. And if you can't afford to help financially, comment, subscribe, share, and like, and all that stuff. To be in touch with me, go to my Linktree, Someday Farm. Thank you.